Jeremiah. I'm a new YouTuber. You see some of my videos and some of my Snapchat, and my brothers and my brothers. And I'm gonna watch something sad like this one, and it will be really sad, and I will cry like I always do. So
See, you're back with another video night.
And I will show you. So let's go to it. Okay, guys. What the hell? Alright, we'll watch this. Alright, I will see you doing here, so let's watch it.
What's going on, guys? Infinitless here, back with another video night. Today we are going to be looking at the saddest animations on YouTube. You better get your tissues, you better get your toilet paper, that's all I got, because it's going to be sad, and you're probably going to cry, okay? This is part 2. My part 1 did very well. You guys loved that video. I saw a lot of you guys in the comments like that you cried. Like, these are sad, yeah. Be prepared because these are so sad. Today's video is actually sponsored by Nord.
Before I make this, show you this, comment down below. Give me 554,000 likes, and let's go.
VPN. Now what VPN means is it's a virtual private network. Now what that means is basically you can hide your data on the internet, so if you're connecting to like hotel Wi-Fi, your data and all your footsteps is going to be safe and secure with NordVPN, guys. People out there actually collect your data and sell it on the internet. It's pretty crazy, but with NordVPN you can make sure that you can be safe. Because there's people out there who will literally try to hack into your data and get your IP address, leak it, and just things can go so wrong. So guys, definitely check out Nord.
Whoops. Oh, come on. It's okay, you guys have to do this.
I'm the sales director. I'm the sales director you're looking for. But when you post
Now.
you get
VPN. There'll be a link in the description. Click that link. Make sure to use the coupon code InfiniteLists at checkout.
Go.
It's on the internet. It's pretty crazy, but with NordVPN, you can make sure that you can be safe. Because there's people out there who will literally try to hack into your data and get your IP address. You're connecting to like hotel Wi-Fi. Your data and all your footsteps is going to be safe and secure with NordVPN, guys. There's people out there actually collect your data and sell it on. He was actually sponsored by YouTube. You better get your tissue. What's going on, guys? Infinitless. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Infinitless here, back with another video that today we're going to be looking at. So if you can just leak it and just think. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm rushing.
But
Alright.
it's definitely going to get there, I can Oh no. Alcoholic dad. Oh, he's literally hiding. Oh jeez. No. Are you serious?
You see?
Siri? No, I didn't say Siri. Freaking phone start talking. Come on. Dude, ruining his toys. Oh jeez, that's it. Oh wow, that is pretty sad. That is a real issue. Alcohol is terrible, guys. Don't drink alcohol. Like that's a real issue. Abusive parents, like that's so terrible. And alcoholic dads, and like parents. Jeez, that is insane. Like that kid was literally afraid of his dad. Like that should be one. This next one is called Peepos Doll. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly, but let's get right into it. Oh, is this a funeral? I don't know, dude. It's starting off with the freaking funeral. Oh. Okay, we got some cute little kitties at a funeral. Oh, sad music. Come on. No. Who died? Who was that?
Actually, I won't even cry. This one.
Dude, how do people make animations? It's so cool. It's so cool. It probably took so long. Freaking cute little cat. Do you guys like cats or dogs better?
I like baby
Personally, I'm a
cats.
dog person, but I don't know. Leave it in the comments.
Comment down below if you like baby cats or big cats,
Alright, nice
whatever.
little breakfast in the morning with the fam. Oh, is that the
Oops,
mom
sorry.
that died? Oh no, dude. It was. I think it was. Alright. Doesn't seem so sad yet. Their mom, I'm guessing that was their mom, passed away already.
Oh shoot. About to die.
Alright, see, that's the kind of dad you want to be. Don't drink alcohol, because, like the last one, that was terrible. But this is a lot better, so. It's good time. Time to watch Infinite List before bed. That's probably what the dad's about to say. Make sure to turn on Infinite List. Use read a book. Just kidding. Reading books is good. Oh no, he's sad. Yeah, it totally was the mom. What happened? What happened to the mom? That's so terrible. At least they're, distracting themselves from... Oh no, wait, what? What's happening? She just got sick all of a sudden. Okay, those glasses definitely don't fit your face. She just cracked. What? What's happening, dude? No, she's cracking. Please tell me she's gonna be okay. Come on, you can't do that to me. That doesn't look good. Little Bobby's just chilling there. Oh, little Bobby. Or Timmy. Did I call him Timmy before? I don't remember. Dude.
I'm sorry I didn't show you this, but I'm gonna show you.
She's gone now? Are you kidding? No. Are you... Dude, this whole family's just... falling apart. Little Timmy or Bobby or... Oh. Little Timmy better be okay. Do not let anything happen to little Timmy. Okay, she's not dead. She's not dead yet. She's just... Oh, did I speak too soon? No. No. No, please. No, no. Come on.
I'm not even crying, so I won't cry.
This is terrible. Dude, where is the freaking doctors? She's okay. She's okay. Wait, is she? Break the clap. Open the door. Yeah, what? Oh, little Timmy got locked out. Oh no. Oh jeez. She better be freaking okay, all right? Dude, come on. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be fine. Just put some, Elmer's glue on the cracks and you should be good. Not terrible. No! No!
Not the devil.
Are you kidding?
I'm sorry I spoiled you.
Dude.
They're going to get clapped.
Come on. This is terrible. Come on. Now it's literally just little Timmy. Where's the dad? What?
Oh
He's
my
drowning
God.
his little doll. That's it? No, are you kidding, dude?
That's so sad now.
That was so sad. Jeez, it starts off with the mom dying and then freaking daughter just got sick and cracked. Use Elmer's glue, you would have been fine. Oh, I'm kidding, but dude, that is freaking sad. Oh god, this is sad. Oh, okay, wow, this is sad, guys. Just starting off, that was.
I think this one.
Okay, what's this one called?
Suddenly, a fight breaks out.
Alright, this one's got actually people now instead of kittens and stuff.
I did the dagger.
Keep your eyes on the road! Dude! Okay, so this one's called Aurora.
Please don't tell me
Not too good of a start so far. Jeez. Never take your eyes off the road. Whoa, what's happening? You're at a boat now? Whoa.
Oh, I'm glad you didn't know.
Whoa, what is happening? Oh no. He's gotta save her. It's like a freaking metaphor or something, dude. Save your daughter. Alright? You can do it.
This might be it.
Come on. You got this, man. Oh, so this is real life. He's okay. I mean, he's alive. But the girl, dude, no. Oh no, save the daughter. Come on, you got this. Dude, I believe. Yes, that was a perfect throw. Wow. Yes, dude, you freaking got it. You got it easy.
After I
Come on,
watched
little
this one,
Betty. Oh no. He's having troubles too. Dude, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna. No, stop. No. Hold on.
he just let go of his daughter.
Oh, he jumped.
Oh.
He literally went. Oh no. What's gonna happen, dude? Please. Tell me that everything's gonna be okay. Come on. He got her. She's good. Swim back up. Faster, dude. You need to go faster. He did it. He saved her.
Oh, she did.
Is she okay? Please be alive.
Oh, got it. Big.
She's Gucci. Wait, does that mean they both died though? Oh no.
I'm kind of cute.
Oh, I think that's what that means. Oh, that is. Oh god, that's terrible. And that's it. Oh, did they both? They did because the frick. Oh, come on, dude. I thought it was a happy ending, and then you have to switch it up on me. Like, come on. Oh, these are freaking sad. They both died. Lesson of the day: keep your eyes on the road. 2 people's lives could have been saved. You would have just looked ahead, like, oh, guys, this is freaking sad. How many more do we got? 1 more. Let's just get through it, all right? This one is called changing batteries. So let's press play. Okay.
Also,
A lot of death in these videos. It's just so freaking sad.
oh,
Okay,
that's
so we
when
got a
grandma
old lady
died.
just chilling.
Yeah. I
Got a
think
package in the mail.
that's when
What does that say?
grandma died.
Help Obot. Nice. Sorry, Mom, couldn't make it back again this year. Here is something for you, John. Okay, so I'm guessing he's off to like college or something. I don't know. Got his mom, a little robot helper guy. That's dope. I want to help a bot. If this was real, this would be amazing.
She acts in him.
Giving you
She acts in a
robot like a broom, I'm
robot
guessing?
can-
That's a bit. Okay, you're sweeping the grass. That's not gonna help at all. But you know, okay, it is helping a bit with watering the plants and stuff. That's good. Now she can just chill all day and watch my videos.
You see that dead part?
Okay. Okay, I'm just wondering how can this get sad? Because it definitely can. Please don't die or anything. We've had enough of that.
Not the robot. Not the
The
robot.
Helpabot is amazing. Literally just put a blanket on her. What a freaking good guy. Circus in town. Ooh, they need to check that out. Go to the circus. Heck yeah, dude. Dude, these two people are gonna be best of friends. Oh, that's gay. There you go, they help each other. Heck yeah. Oh no, he's dying. Well, he just needs to be charged, or like batteries or something. There you go. There you go, nice.
That's nice.
Freaking saved him, dude. Dude, I want this little robot. He can help me make videos and stuff. Oh no, clinic. Dr. Wong. Oh, she's sick. No. You can drink some tea. Something. Motor oil. Okay. He's got the motor oil, she's got the tea. You know, they're just a happy little family chilling. Okay, 2012.
Now I can.
5th of July. Ooh, she's sick, you can tell. Okay, what's going on? Oh, the circus! The circus! You gotta go to the circus! I don't remember when it was, but you gotta go. Okay, what does that mean? Is she gonna... Please, don't let her... Oh, no. No! Come on. Stop. You can't... Okay. I mean, good try. You put batteries in her. No, come on. She's gotta be okay. She's just taking a nap. I hope. More batteries, yeah. I mean, it's not gonna work, but like, at least he's trying. No. Help a bot. No, dude. Come on, break it.
Now, it did seem like the label promoted drugs and violence. Do you think that Corey got caught up in that lifestyle?
I looked at No Limit Records. You know, different my studios. We put out audio books of great talent, of things that we saw in our neighborhoods. And he grew up in Calvin projects, so our music was real.
From the outside looking in, it does seem like the guy into that rapper lifestyle. Was Corey losing his way at all?
That's so sad. What's happening now? There's no batteries. He's still watering the plants. Where did she go, though? Dude. And now he's gone. No. They're both like angels now. Dude, come on. Well, okay, not too bad of an ending. They both go to the circus. That's really cool. But God, so freaking sad, dude. Oh, these are so good, dude. Oh, well, guys, this has been insanely sad. If you guys want me to make a part 3, you know what to do. Drop a like. Also, guys, don't click off yet. I am doing a massive giveaway on this channel. You can win a PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo 3DS, $100, and my merch. It's massive, guys. Definitely click that second link in the description. Super simple. Takes about 30 seconds. So yeah, check it out, guys. Definitely drop a like for more videos like this, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys all tomorrow.
I will show you this one. Funny cat videos. The mug's dying. Is it dying?
Perfect timing! See how Aflac helps cover everyday expenses at Aflac.com.
Look at this one.
Been solving dry skin problems for over 100 years. Try Eucerin Advanced Repair for
See
dry
that?
and tree-like
Right
skin
there on
for
the
immediate
front.
relief
I'm
and
going to
48
watch
hours
that.
moisture. Now try Eucerin Advanced Repair in the
Ooh,
shower.
that's bad. After I watch this one, I'm going to charge the phone.
Our sleep experts will guide you through the largest mattress selection in the Northeast, Raymore and Flanagan.
Yes, I will charge this right now.
You gotta plug that phone in, it's gonna go out.
I know,
Check the light,
but
You posting stuff to YouTube? What's wrong with you?
fine. Alright, bye guys.